If one person fell down, you will only view that person is laying down. He is unconscious. Something is happened. Maybe electrical shock, maybe oxygen deficiency. Suddenly don't go to there. First you need to the observation. Any dangerous point. Example, he fell down. He is going to unconscious due to electrical shock. Suddenly we going and touch. What happened? What happened? We have also got electrical shock. So first you need to first check the dangerous situation. Then after we going to there, then after we start to the CPR. In this CPR, how it is done? How can we save the life?
Actually check it. Okay. No danger situation. Suddenly go. Hello. Hello. Suddenly call the ambulance. Call the doctor. Next step. Call the ambulance. Call the doctor. Next we going to the CPR. CPR is our heart is the center portion of the nipple and the center portion of this line. This is the point. We use this area because soft pumping. First hand. Pressure is from here. We need to pressure is from here. Don't bend the hand. Don't bend the hand. 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 Give the 30 pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. This 30 pulse. Minimum our heart will be pressed 5 centimeter. Not this one. We need the pressure from here, shoulder. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 30 pulse we give. After that, checking Nora. So, after the laying time, maybe he's vomiting, his blood something his mouth. Normally we use some disease, maybe chances. Normally we use the mask or towel, something. After that, close the nose. Take the breath. Take the breath from our body. Give. At that time we check. Heart will be up because pressure will be go inside. Heart will be up. Again 2 times. Heart will be up. Okay. Continue we doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again nose close. Press. Heart will be up. Minimum 2-3 times. Whenever the vehicle will come, immediately to take him hospital. Same at that time we use this same CPR method. We can save the life. Okay? Thank you.